Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 3 error path not found on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Also facing such type of error code 2 in your system. Here are the fixes, and the first workaround is go to Windows search, type CMD and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. In command prompt Windows, execute these three DISM tool as shown on a screen one by one. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt Windows. And after successfully execution of DISM tool, execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. It will not only scan your system, if any error found, repair them accordingly. After that, restart your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to Windows search and type disk cleanup. Open disk cleanup window. Here select the drive you want to clean up. Choose the drive where your program files exist, basically C drive. Disk cleanup for Windows C. Make the check against all these options: temporary files, recycle bin, temporary download files, temporary internet files. Make the check against all these options and finally click on OK. A pop-up window will appear. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these files? Choose delete files. After that, close the windows. It will take few seconds only, and after that, don't forget to restart your system and check whether your error code 2 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose settings. From the left sidebar, click on Windows Update, and here click on check for updates or any pending action required against your operating system update. If any update available, simply download and install it in your system. The next workaround is run chk dsk scan. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt Windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt Windows will now open. Here execute the command chkdsk/f/your drive letter. Replace X with your drive letter. Your drive either D, E, F, G. So replace this X with your drive letter and press enter. It will scan your disk drives, and if any error found, it will intimate you and repair them accordingly. After that, close the windows and restart your system. Your problem will definitely be resolved. That's all.